What I do when I can't fly, number 3. In this video, the engine starts after 45 years and a full rebuild.
Okay, so what do we do when we can't fly? Well, part 3, on the grounds that the weather is rather breezy, the showers are forecast, and the car is now at the point for a bit of a landmark. So hopefully going to go for the first start. All the engine plumbing is set up, the electrical connections are all done. That'll go onto the inside of the engine side cover once I've run the engine and made sure we haven't got any leaks. Fuel system, we'll just prime that up a bit. It's already been pumped through, pressure tested, so just fill up the float bowls and bits. So hopefully she'll start. Electrics are sorted, cooling system's filled, oil has been primed through the lower T section down here, has been used to pressurise the whole oil system to make sure that's correct and the oil level is good. Unfortunately I haven't filled the clutch system yet, so we can't operate the clutch. Throttle is working, choke is set up. So since the last video, the dashboard's in, majority of the wiring is done, seats are in, seat belts are aircraft seat belts, P51 Mustang lap straps and A36 I think it is, shoulder straps. Now the trim has gone on around the cockpit area, and the central tunnel is in, so we're just about ready for a go. So join you again in a mo. Let's see what happens then. Neutral. So let's see what happens then. Right, we are in neutral, choke on, ignition on, sounds promising. Oil warning light's gone off, oil pressure's coming up. Ammeter's charging, RPM is reading. Remove this wire. Coming off the exhaust.
I'm only revving to 2000 RPM.
That's not bad, that's running evenly on all cylinders, all 6. More smoke coming off the exhaust.
The rev counter does sort of wave way above where it actually is going to as it gets inertia in the needle when you click the throttle.
Oil pressure is a bit high at the moment. We'll let that come down. We'll let the smoke burn off the exhaust. So probably just the paint that's on the exhaust, or a bit of oil that's on there. Once it's got warm, that will go. temperature's starting to come up. Have a little look around the engine. Yeah, definitely smoke is coming off the exhaust. Signs of leaks. A little bit of oil down there on the floor. Okay, so there's a little bit coming out from the oil filter. We'll just give that a check tight. Can't see anything else coming out from there at the moment. Coolant temperature coming up. Coolant should be starting to expand out the expansion, which it is. Just going out the expansion pipe there. Smoke is reducing now on the exhaust, which is good.
Sometime later, the engine gets to its max temperature and the fan starts to run. So I'm going around just doing checks, making sure everything is working as it should do. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up. You can subscribe or even hit the little bell notification for future videos. Any comments would be appreciated and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Remember, go fly and feel the sky.